How much is she?
I thought it was awesome. I thought it was great. I read about the character that Ryan Gosling.
Yeah. The way you wake me up in the morning by bashing your wheelie on my foot.
Oh. I told you I needed a pee.
Oh, so then you wake somebody up by doing that?
Here we go.
This is awesome.
Is Liam's, and then we've also got.
Oh, wait a minute.
No, wait. Size isn't everything. Hey?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.